I haven't done one of these in a while because of the algorithm, but you know what? Forget that algorithm. We're opening up some Paldean Fates. So I picked this up at the Walmart, and this booster bundle of Paldean Fates. I think I said Paldean in the intro. Oops. Sorry about that. So sorry. So let's forget about the trick. We're just gonna go through them and see if we get anything. Gengar. Oh, look at that. He's cool. Put him back there. Well, okay. Let's hit the next one here. Ultra Ball. Moonlight Hill. And Mimikyu. Shiny. Yep. So if you're not familiar with the booster bundle, 6 packs come in the booster bundle, and it was a fair price at the old Walmart. I have 3 Walmart not too far from me, and one seems to have fair prices, and the other one seems to be a little bit crazy. And the other one just never has stock. Oh, look at that. Houndstone. Love the mini shinies. Revaroom. What we got here? So that's 3 packs down, 3 packs to go. 2 mini shinies. So what do we got here? I like this set. I don't know why. I just do. The electric generator. Don't scroll. The electric generator reverse, and Espathra. Sorry. We'll drop him back there. Sorry, I'm struggling with that one. Espathra. Now, I've been opening these for a while. It's just that I was getting some hate from the algorithm. And then I decided, you know what? Execute. I'm going to open what I want. You know, Mimikyu. And Heat Rod him. Look at him. He's hot. 1 pack left. Can we get a banger? Can we get a full art? An art rare? An SAR? Where's an SIR? Can't remember Japanese one. Metu. Paldean Students. Lapras. Letter. Primeape. Whimsicott. Donphan. There's Clive. And Golden Go. I don't know how to pronounce it. So not terrible. Thanks for watching.